Are you concerned about your drinking water? Is it contaminated? Is it safe to drink? Sick of boiled water notices? Hurricanes, tropical storms, and excessive amounts of rainfall have caused numerous problems for homeowners in Florida. That includes well and city water. Boil water advisories are put in place due to harmful bacteria, dangerous germs, and potentially life-threatening parasites that have contaminated the water supply for many. The good news is, there is a better way than boiling water to ensure it's clean and safe for your family. By installing a crystal clear water whole house filtration system. Our whole house reverse osmosis system is proven to remove 99.9% of the impurities and bacteria in your water, even if your area is under a boil water advisory. Crystal Clear Water is Southwest Florida's premier water treatment company. We manufacture and install water systems that are guaranteed to protect your home or business from contaminated water. We have a wide range of whole house water treatment systems for both well water and city water systems, which means we have the perfect system for pretty much any household. We'll even come out and give you a free consultation, so call Crystal Clear Water today for your free inspection and make boiling water a thing of the past once and for all.